Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start the wrapped weather in Plants vs. Brainrots game Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, if you want to start the wrapped weather, you need to fill Santa's bag, and you can fill it with this Crescentillo plant, and you can get the seeds from defeating Brainrots in Santa's workshop biome. Make sure that the Santa's workshop biome is active, and then you need to defeat the Brainrots and you will get the Crescentillo seeds. And I have already planted the Crescentillo in my garden, so I'm going to pick them all guys. Okay, use a shovel to pick up the plant. This one. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the central island and give the Crescentillo to fill the Santa's bag. Okay, I'm going to go to my inventory and search Crescentillo, okay, to give it. Alright, and after the Santa's bag is full, the weather will be started. Okay, this is my Crescentillo. Okay, one more Crescentillo. Okay, and now it's done, and let's see. The wrapped mutation is being started now, so our plants can have chance to get the wrapped mutation. And this is how the wrapped mutation looks like. You will see this Santa's sleigh, okay, and also gift coming from the sky. Okay guys, and that's how you can start the wrapped mutation in Plants vs. Brainrots game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!